So here we have some young branches, kind of young needles on the redwood tree. We're gonna pick these and then make tea from them, use them in ingredients that are called for. Very herbal. They look real soft. As you can see, it's a very healthy looking tree and it has lots of young new growth. With the lower hanging branches, it's easier to grab some. The redwood tree needles are mixed into the biscuit dough. I'm gonna put these into little balls and then bake some. Mashallah, the flavor came out fantastic. It's herbal. It's got the nice hint of the duck fat in there. This would be perfect with some strawberry jam. Whew, it's really good. Fresh from the oven. Delicate, flaky. Yeah, a little bit of crunch on top. Just right.